1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Hello.
Oh yeah, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, right about this time, party people in the house. Got my man Scratch Master Rob on 1 and 2. Jolly Rock in the place. MC Russ Safe. And right now, party people, we're gonna do something that you never seen before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't stop. Yeah, right about this time, I go for mine and all the negativity I see I leave behind. The PH, the I, the double L, M, O, S, T, the MC, not a fake, I take, I wanna be the rapper, record, take a mechanism user. Never known to be no drug abuser. Never see a girl that's dope, I'll choose her. So brother, hold it tight because it's just my loser. I get spiffy, proceed in a jiffy to motivate and generate rhymes that uplift the average, the ordinary and the mediocre. I'm like Batman, and you the Joker, running around like a clown, you get a beat down. I tell you when the lost and found, so hey, you better listen to me, the professor. With the 1200 up on top of the dresser, I get looser. The lyricist and producer, the host with the most on black to the future. Now on a record that was made and pressed up, the lyrics only clever and never will they be messed up. Last night changed it all. I really had a ball. All for one and one fall. Scratch master of the beat and get them off the wall. I gotta have it. Yeah. I gotta have it. You know what? I gotta have it. Yeah, I gotta have it. Alright, now check this out. Yo. Hey, another rhyme display to put you in a different world like Lisa Bonet. You start bugging. I know you can't believe it, but I'm gonna throw it so you must retrieve it. So catch it, fetch it, know you're the wretched. Picture that or maybe you can sketch it. Use imagination, talent, and skill. And maybe one day you'll be another more chill, but you be biting on the lyrics that you heard before. Clean your plate and then you ask for more, cause you a sucker. Sucker never make a buck. You had one hit, but now you out of luck. You ain't with it, forget it, just get out of the game. I play it like Scrabble and spell my name. The PH, the L, the M-O-S-T, chill. I make you wanna hop around like you and them, but still don't front, I'll play post. Cause I'm the most, I make an atheist catch. The Holy Ghost, I'll boast, the rather toast, rhyme, rapping MC. And he edged up like chicken of the sea, like that, y'all. You know what? I gotta have it. Scratch Master Rob, yo, hype it up, my brother. I gotta have it. Oh yeah, I gotta have it. One more time for the roll, yeah. Scratch Master Rob, I cut the record to ribbons. I make a good living, now girls are acting like Robin Givens trying to play me out of position, but never will they play me because I'm on a mission to make music, not to be squeezing. Cause I know the reason that they try pleasing me to get money. They might kiss me, but then they turn around and diss me. Yo, I like the ones that don't be trying to step, G. I got a mind that's strong and it's kept me in good health to maintain my wealth. And now I give it to it once again, go for self. A rhyme acrobat and your tongue is crippled. If I'm a tidal wave, you're nothing more than a ripple. I treat you like a baby sucking a nipple. Hit you with a rhyme so hard you see triple. Wax attacks, you better max relax before Scratch Master Rob pulls out the battle axe. Dope is for you is hopeless. Nope, I don't think that you could cope with this. I gotta have it. Yeah, hype it up, come on, I gotta have it. Scratch Master Rob, hey yo, I gotta have it. And I'm Phill most chill, I gotta have it. Yeah, Phill most chill, I gotta have it. Yeah, going out to the whole crew, you know what I'm saying? I gotta have it. My man Jolly Rock, you know where you at? Yeah, G, I gotta have it. Oh yeah, my baby Tracy, I gotta have it. To everybody else in the crew, yo, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Come on, hype it up, I gotta have it. Ain't no half stuffing, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I gotta have, I gotta have, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Turn it up, come on, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Yeah, I gotta have it. Pull out, see wherever you be, rock the house. I gotta have it. To my sister Val, see, I gotta have it. Yeah, I gotta have it. Yeah, I gotta have it. Yo, geese this one up. We're gonna do it one time for the Bronx.